It's time to get to know your beautifully designed new arc or cube. Your Zip arc or cube has a water drop touch control. For chilled water, push the control back to dispense manually. For continuous fill mode, rotate the control forward. For sparkling, touch the select pad once and the colour indicator will turn from blue to white. Sparkling water will now be dispensed. To dispense boiling water, touch the select pad once if it's white and twice if it's blue, and it will turn red. The boiling water safety control is factory set. To dispense boiling water, tap the safety pad twice. While in dispense mode, the red light will flash. With the light flashing, turn the control to your desired fill mode, back for manual and forward for continuous. To adjust the safety settings, select Menu, Safety and Security, and then Boiling Safety. Select Boiling Safety Lock to turn it on or off. After 30 seconds, your tap will revert back to chilled, or you can just touch the select pad to make a new selection. And that is your beautiful new arc or cube. For more information and helpful videos, go to zipwater.com.